Welcome to the 2015 Housing Excellence Awards. Now in its 12th year, I'm Paul Bunker, I'm your host this evening, so we're going to have an absolutely cracking night tonight.
They particularly impressed the judges through their submission in the high levels of customer satisfaction in key areas of not just repairs and maintenance, but also in the likes of window cleaning and grounds maintenance. Also, for a small organisation, they had a large pipeline for the future, which demonstrated that they were actually streets ahead of the others in this category. What they were able to demonstrate was the fact that they brought together both the public and the private sector good practice in this submission.
It's absolutely amazing. We came here tonight just proud to be here, and we are so proud to have won this. What sets us apart is we've had a new Chief Executive, Sarah Woodhall. She's invested in her people, she's invested in the technology, the equipment, which has enabled us to be here tonight.
For Crown Paint as a paint company, it's important to sponsor these awards, and particularly the best repairs, because that's where our products end up being used. On externals and internals of building, protecting them for longevity, to sustain the environment and to keep the buildings looking good for the tenants.